So how do you edit the Apple Watch app layout? Let's get started. Let me show you how it works. If you're new here, subscribe so you never miss anything important. So technically, you can just grab the Apple Watch and use it directly there, where you can just go to the All Apps view and just, see the apps as they are and hold down on any of them to go to the edit mode, and you'll be able to reorganize them, delete some of the apps which can be deleted, and that's how you can edit the app layout directly on the Apple Watch. So that is cool and everything, but I personally prefer the method in the same thing but on the iPhone, because the screen is much larger, right? So instead I just grab the iPhone, go to the Watch app, where I can go to the app view right here, and I can switch either between the list view and grid view. So the list view is just a alphabetically sorted list of apps, nothing really to rearrange or edit there. But I can go to the grid view, as I said, I tap on arrangement, and I have the same controls as on my watch, but it's much larger on the screen of the iPhone, so it just makes it much easier to see how it would look and how you can put it all together into a grid, right? So it just looks nicer and it's better to see it this way. But at the end of the day, you can reorganize it as much as you want. If you want to reset and come back to the original layout, you can go to the settings of the Watch app right here, click on the general, tap on reset at the bottom, and you can reset home screen layout, and it will come back to the default position of apps. So that's all that you really need to know about it. Let me know what you think. Subscribe for the next tutorials and videos like this one, and I'll talk to you in the next videos as well.